Hello everyone. So to install StudyBlue app on iPhone, just go to the App Store app here and search for StudyBlue. So this app basically is a collection of study cards and flashcards which can help you to prepare for exams using flashcards methodology. And then you can quiz yourself and prepare for exams or study homework. So just tap on Get and log in with your Apple ID, and yeah, that's how it works. The size is 57 megabytes, so you need to have that space available on your device, and then you can just tap open. And that's the app. So you can discover materials, and also you can get answers to common questions, and then you can just tap get started and create your account.